Hey guys, this is Tyler down here at the Customer Technology Center in Kent, Washington. I just want to take a minute and show you our new Mach 200 series. We're just going to do a quick foam demo for you. Over here I have a part drawn up, and I'm just going to use this joystick here to position the cutting head over the foam. From there you just have to save that home position as our starting spot. We're going to go ahead and do a pump start, and then we are off and cutting. All right, so we just wrapped up cutting. We're gonna go ahead and pop this part out here. As you can see, there's very little water here, and this is gonna be the edge quality coming right off the machine. We're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then we'll be right back. All right, so we got this part all cleaned up. I really just wanted to show off these tight tolerance features here. We used a 5 thou orifice when cutting these, so you're able to achieve these nice, smooth edge quality. If you'd like more information, you can find us at flowwaterjet.com, and thanks for watching.